Elgiva Rynjah, who is one of the youngest candidates in Trinamool Congress and from North Shillong Constituency, has stressed on the need to protect youth from social evils by providing sustainable employment. Speaking to media person, Rynjah said that youth need to be empowered through government interventions. She also said that she is ready to face the heavyweights in the constituency in the upcoming battle, as she is leaving no stone unturned to woo voters to believe in youth power.
And I really looking forward to see that I'm contesting with him. That I will ensure that each and every youth of this constituency will get a door. We will pave the way for them in making them self-made entrepreneurs, help them through self-help group, and also those who are capable to get government jobs. We will see according to the strategies how to give them.
MPCC President Vincent